So may parking, may tinatawag na outside parking, guys. So kung titignan nyo to guys, outside parking. Pag sinabing outside parking, okay, wala siya mismo sa kalsada. Kumbaga nasa gilid siya ng kalsada. Tingnan nyo yung sidewalk, okay, katabi niya yung parking, tapos ito yung kalsada. May continuity yung kalsada, walang harang. So that's why it's called outside parking. Ito naman, yan, another sample of outside parking. So may long driveway, okay, tapos may island sa gitna. So tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Nagkaroon ng long driveway. Okay? Pero guhit lang yung gitna, hindi makakapasok si long driveway doon. Next. Yan, another sample, outside parking. Basta nasa gilid ng kalsada, it's an outside parking. Ngayon, may tinatawag na inside parking. Yan. Pag sinabing inside parking, nasa kalsada mismo yung parking. Okay? Yan, o, tingnan nyo. It's in the road mismo. Kasi ito buo to, kalsada to. Yan. So, dinagdagan ng parking, naging inside parking siya. Questions? Nalilito ba kayo sa inside, outside parking? Malinaw? Okay. Sige. Swimming pool. Yan. So may tag tayo ng swimming pool. Anything that is sa bahay, tapos it's a pool, whether it's elevated or not, ground, so, swimming pool, tag din na swimming pool, whether it's ground-based or elevated. Pero mag-iingat kayo guys sa mga ano, tawag doon, yung trampoline. Yan o. Okay? Yan, hindi yan trampoline guys, pero that's a swimming pool. Sporting grounds or sport ground guys, tennis court, basketball courts na open, football field, track and field, baseball field, soccer field, ano pa. Those are sporting grounds. Okay? Ang wala lang dito na classification siguro yung mga racetrack. Yan. Pero we'll see when we get there. Yan. So you capture the entire field. Okay? You capture the entire field. Next. Pavement. Ang pavement guys, ito yung klase ng bakanteng lote na sementado pero hindi mo alam kung parking siya or driveway. Like for example, ito, wala kasing marking na parking siya, so it's marked as a pavement. Although we all know this is being used like, sabihin natin, delivery trucks, di ba? But we don't know. So it's tagged as pavement. Backyards and front yards that are cemented is also called pavement. Ito, mga backyard na sementado, it's paved. Pavement din ang tawag sa, ito to yan, makita nyo, parang basag-basag. So it's also a pavement. Normally, this is common in industrial areas. And also, grass. Yan, grass na tayo. Depende sa season. Okay? Minsan kulay brown, minsan kulay green. So, kapag nakita mong color green yan, it's okay you tag it as grass. Kung summer at natutuyo yung mga damo, nagba-brown yan, it's also okay to tag it as bare land. Naintindihan? Nagkakaintindihan guys. Pero bare land, normally sa mga industrial areas nakikita. Here, yan. This is a perfect example of bare land, yan. So, siguro, binubungkal, ganyan, or dinedevelop pa lang na lupa or area, and there's no construction yet visible. This is a bare land. Another one, sample of bare land. Yan, ito, pine-prepare pa lang yan. So, it's a bare land. Forest, alam na natin yan. So, trees, dikit-dikit, equal or greater than 5 trees is a forest. Water, this is nature water. So, hindi siya man-made, natural body of water such as river, lake, ocean, tag them as water. Pati itong mga to na nasa, sabi natin, ponds. Hindi natin alam kung man-made yan o ano, pero most likely, tingin ko kasi based on shape, it could be man-made. It's just left ganyan. So, but still, we tag it as a water. Okay? Kasi hindi naman siya kasing liit ng pool. Okay. Next, bridge. Okay. The bridge, including viaduct road, viaduct railway with a certain height. Be careful with the sidewalk kasi nasa ilalim ang sidewalk, di ba? So you have to do the overpass rule for bridges. Okay? So nakaangat siya yung ilalim, either water or another road, railway, basta different layers and all, they have to be tagged as a bridge, as an overpass. Okay? Clear? Are we clear, guys? Okay, overpass drawing rules. Basta 2 layers of different category kailangan naka-overpass yan. May exception lang, ang sidewalk tsaka driveway. Ang sidewalk driveway, hindi ino-overpass yan. Okay? Hindi yan ino-overpass rule. Pero, the rest, you have to do an overpass. Clear? Next, ito. Yan, kung mapapansin nyo, yung road or bridge on top of grass, on top of water, on top of forest or grass, then on top of grass ulit, tapos may sidewalk. So, ilang beses hinati para mabuo yung overpass or overlap rule. And ito rin, guys. Okay, water, tapos bridge, bridge, sidewalk, then you have to tag it properly. And ito pa, road and railway, kahit flat lang yan sa lupa, you still need to do the overlap rule. Clear? Are we clear, guys? Overlap rule for road overlap, use this for same layers. Same layers. Like for example, overpass ng road tsaka road, use the road overlap. Sidewalks, driveway overlap, railway overlap. Basta magkapareho, use the overlap. Okay? Nasa taas yung isa, nasa baba yung isa, use the overlap, especially if they are of the same category. Clear? Okay. Okay. So, check tayo ng task ha. Sa training, makikita nyo yung tips. Draw sidewalk. Pay attention to sidewalks in parks or golf courses. Yan. Ito, golf course to. Guys, hindi ko tinatanggap ang ganito. How do you draw? Yan. So, if you draw sidewalks, especially in the boundary, dapat saktong-sakto ka dyan. Bakit? Kasi yung neighbor mo dyan magkoconnect. So kung wasi-wasi ang gawa mo, most likely hindi ka papasa sa akin. Pero kung iba ang nag-check, malamang papasa ka. So when drawing near the boundaries, use E. Make sure you go outside of the boundary. Space bar, press E. Makita nyo, puputulin niya yan, saktong-sakto yan sa boundary. Are we clear? So ito, hindi papasa sa akin to. Fix. Yan ang unang-una kong tinitignan. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, tong taong to, si James Wade, hindi to nagbasa ng training material. Or hindi rin nanood ng videos. Yan. So, this is not accepted at all for me.